Hi, I'm Sam from Intreface. We're Bitrix24 Gold Partners. In today's Bitrix24 demonstration, I'm going to be presenting our professional services billing application. So managing time, tracking work, and invoicing clients, it shouldn't be a drain on your productivity. And that's why we built our professional services billing application. With that application, you can easily distinguish between billable and non-billable time when logging work against tasks. We can then use that billable time to automatically generate invoices that get submitted to the client. And this means less time spent on admin work, fewer invoicing mistakes, a smoother and more professional experience for your clients, and ultimately increase profitability and transparency for your business. Okay, so here we are inside our Bitrix24 system. What we'll do is let's go into a work group where we can see all of the work that we are completing for this specific customer. So if we head on into one of our tasks that we're working on, we will see our professional services billing application. So we can see in the task here, if we click down into the time feature, here's where we can see our application. So we can see here we have several times that have been logged against this task. So we can see the amount of time, the comments which describes the task, and we can see here whether that time is going to be billed or not billed. So if we now add another time to this specific task, so I'm going to add a time for today, so we can choose the date and the amount of time that we're wanting to log on a specific task. And then we can add a comment to explain what this time is in reference to. Okay, we've added that time, and we can then select whether this specific time is going to be billed or if it's not billable time. So in this use case here, we will be billing for this reporting time, and let's save that in the system here. And we can see that has now been logged. When we come round to now wanting to invoice the customer, we can click on the billing button. It's going to automatically feed in the client's information. And we can select the reporting period here that we want to pull in the billable time from those tasks. So I want to include all of the billable time in the month of May. We can then save that in the system. And we can see now that's automatically generated an invoice and rolled up all of the time on those three tasks as they're all marked in the billing period that we have reported on. We can now click into the invoice, and it automatically fed in the customer's details, the invoice date, and the pay before date. So we're automatically populating that information, and it's brought through the product details associated to the task with the amount of time. And that time is fed in from the responsible person's user profile page where we associate an hourly rate for each user in the Bitrix system. And we can then have that invoice automatically sent across to the customer. So using our professional services billing application, we can roll up billable task time, automatically generate invoices, and that will mean less time spent on admin work, fewer invoicing mistakes, and increasing the profitability and transparency for your business. Please get in contact if you would like more information about our professional services billing application.